Hello and welcome back to my baby massage 5-week course. This is the final week, week 5. We're going to be working on how to massage your baby's back, which is lovely and relaxing. If you haven't already watched my 4 previous classes, I'd recommend doing so before following this class. And also you can pause this section to read the list of things to do before you begin. So as always, start by checking how your baby is doing, looking into their eyes, seeing if they're ready to be massaged, and then warming up the hands, signaling that they're going to receive a massage, and then just resting on at the moment. You can always take a moment and take a few slow, deep breaths in your own time, making sure that you've got nice, tall spine, good posture. You can pause the video here as well and remove your baby's clothing, apart from the nappy, if you haven't already. And then when you're ready, coming into the cover of love. So checking how your baby is doing, and then we're warming up the hands. And then sweep down over the top of the head, down all the way to the feet, lifting up the feet, and doing this 3 times. So we've already practiced this, so the baby should know what this feels like and should really enjoy this by now. Remember, if your baby is upset at any time, just pause and you can come back to it at a later time. Please remember to use a pure, non-scented vegetable, fruit or nut oil, as long as there aren't any allergies in the family. Please share this baby massage course with other parents. It can be easily shared through Facebook or through emails, as there are many parents who aren't able to get to a baby massage class for various reasons, and they may not be aware that there's a free online course. This routine can be done with your baby seated or with your baby resting on your thighs, whichever feels more comfortable. The first position is called M is the mummy. For this stroke, imagine drawing the letter M on your baby's back. Starting at the top of the bottom, place your palms down and sweep upwards to the shoulders with the hands either side of the spine. Do not press on the spine at all. At the shoulders, go up and over and bring the strokes back down towards the bottom on the outside of the back. And repeat this about 3 times. The next massage move is called Wiggly Worm. So place the pads of your forefingers either side of the spine and gently apply pressure and slowly wiggle the fingers down towards the bottom. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. The next massage move is called Daisy Chain. Place the hands either side of the spine at the top of the bottom. Using the pads of the fingers, make a small line of circles either side of the spine up towards the shoulders, and then gently glide the hands back down to the sides, returning to the starting point. And again, repeat this 3 or 4 times. Always putting pressure, more pressure towards the heart and lighter pressure as you slide downwards. The last move is called finger raking. So using one hand, or you can use both hands, spread the fingers and stroke down the baby's back from the neck to the bottom. You can either have your hands from the side or your fingers facing the baby's head, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And then just to finish, the cover of love on the back. So sweep the palms of alternate hands from the top of the head down to the baby's toes. Don't forget to say thank you to your baby. And thank you for the time shared together. So now all of the same positions can be repeated with your baby sitting up if your baby feels more comfortable. These positions you'll have to do with just one hand, so you can support your baby's weight with the other hand. So just while we're practicing or while we're going through each move, I'll just talk about the benefits of back massage. So not only is it very relaxing, it releases tension and increases the circulation. And it can help to improve your baby's posture if the back muscles are nice and relaxed. So you can do the back massage with the baby lying on their front on the floor, baby sitting up, or over your knees. So however your baby feels comfortable, and the older they get, the more confident they'll feel lying on their tummy and facing away from you. So just keep practicing only when your baby is happy and comfortable. So this is where we practice the back massage the last thing. So your baby is used to being massaged before they're facing away from you, because some babies don't enjoy being faced away from you. And then just to finish off the whole of the massage routine, once more, we'll come into the cover of love. So warming up the hands, sweeping down over the top of the head to the feet, and doing this 3 times. So practice this whole routine once for a week, and then you can practice the whole full body massage after that, and you can keep going as your baby grows. It's a very nice practice to continue to do as your baby gets older, to continue the connection between yourself and your child. So take a moment to congratulate yourself for completing the 5-week course. Always be grateful for the precious time you spend with your baby as they grow. Thank you very much for watching.